Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are well. In today's session, we will learn about sound words and how we can rearrange the words to make complete sentence. So let's begin with today's session. Now we will learn about sound words. Read these words aloud. Tinkle, tinkle, whoosh. The words tinkle, tinkle sound like the bell of the bicycle. The word whoosh is the sound when the bicycle goes into a puddle of water. These words sound like the sounds of the things they describe. They are called sound words. We hear different sounds all the time, but how do we actually say them as words? Let's look at these pictures. Choose the correct sound word for each picture. So first we will read these sound words. Zoom, plop, thud, tring, crack, ding dong. Now see the pictures. What do you see in this picture? A coconut falls down from the tree. When it falls down, it makes a thud sound. See the next picture. A drop of water makes a plop sound when it hits something. So, it makes a plop sound. This picture shows us that when a glass is not completely broken, but very thin lines appear on its surface, so it makes a crack sound. What makes a zoom sound? Yes, right, a car. The car makes a zoom sound. See this picture. What sound does a telephone make? Yes, tring. Correct. It makes a tring sound when it rings. See the last one. What does this picture show? Yes, ding dong. Right. So ding dong is used to represent the sound of a doorbell. So these words describe the sound that comes from different objects. Now next we will do grammar topic. In this topic we are going to rearrange the words to make the sentences. So first of all, let's see what is a sentence. Number 1. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Number 2. The words in a sentence have to be in proper order to make complete sense. Number 3. The sentence must begin with a capital letter. Number 4. A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. Let's take an example. Look at this group of words. Carrot, a, eating, is, rabbit, the. Do you understand these words? No, they do not make any sense. Let's change the position of these words. So what we have to do first? We have to begin a sentence with a capital letter. So let's start. The rabbit is eating a carrot. and don't forget to put the full stop at the end. Now it is in proper order. Let's take another example. Read this group of words. And neat, my room is tidy. Do you understand what the words mean? No. Now arrange these words so that you can understand its meaning. But remember to begin a sentence with a capital letter when you are going to start. My room is neat and tidy, and put the full stop at the end. Now we can understand its meaning. Let us do the exercise. 1. Fly the in bird's sky. These words are not in the correct order, so change the position of these words. Now read. Birds fly in the sky. Now we can understand its meaning. Number 2. Pretty a girl is Salma. Let us rearrange these words so that you can understand its meaning. So let's start. Salma is a pretty girl. And don't forget to put the full stop at the end. Now it is in proper order. Number 3. Has a the gun soldier. So what will be the answer? Yes, the soldier has a gun. Very good. Now you can understand its meaning. Now I hope that you all have understood the concept of rearranging the words to make complete sentence. The more you read, the more it will be easier for you to rearrange them. So keep practicing.